etc. I got the new phone, and there is a massive snowstorm going on right now. Don't know if I can really see that. But yeah, it's been like that pretty much all day. And it sucks. Okay, but the kind of good thing is that I don't have to go to work today, so yay. Kind of. Don't look back, don't hesitate. So, yeah. I'm happy I don't have to go home and work. That's the main thing. Didn't just sit at home and watch movies and chill. So yeah, that's what's going on, and I also have been playing with my new phone. So, yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, massive snowstorm. I hate Minnesota. I do. I hate it. I hate winter in Minnesota. More like, to be more specific, I hate winter in Minnesota. And I'm listening to Big Time Rush. They cheer me up. Oh, y'all want to see my room now? Some say I went a little overboard. With, Big Time Rush. I don't think I did, but whatever. And I got, Taylor Lautner, Central over there. I got Green Day. Yeah. Some say I went overboard. I don't think I did. So, yeah. That's about it for now. I'll update you more on the big snowstorm later on.